there, guys. Thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. And today, I'm actually not giving you any tips or tricks. I'm just going to talk about something that is very personal, financially personal, I guess, to me. And that is bankruptcy and what all, not necessarily what it entails, but the stigma that is behind it. So let's just think about, a lot of times people want to tell you what you should and shouldn't do for your finances. And of course, that's not the best thing for people to do because it's really none of their business. Of course, if you have a financial advisor or if you have a person that is, or like a tax planner, such as myself, or I'm a tax accountant. I've been doing this for like 20 years, and I'm also a tax planner. So a lot of times when I'm telling people different things that they should and shouldn't do with their money, it's because of my background, it's because of my experience, it's because of my knowledge. But sometimes we have friends and family that want to sit there and tell us what we should and shouldn't do with our money, with our finances. So when it comes to bankruptcy, a lot of people are like, oh no, you shouldn't file bankruptcy. It's like taboo. And yes, it is true. It does stay on your credit report for a long time. Yes, it does come up when you're trying to buy certain things, get certain lines of credit, etc. However, in some people's situation, it is the best choice. Either chapter 7 or chapter 13, sometimes those two ways of filing bankruptcy can help alleviate a lot of stress and get a lot of stress off of people's, shoulders. And I know for me personally, it took a lot of stress off of me, and I was able to restart and regain my financial footing with just filing bankrupt and saying, you know what, let me start this all over again, because right now the way it's looking, it's not working out for me. So I'm saying this to say, I don't want people to let what someone says, or the stigma of it being on your credit for such a long time, or you feeling like it's not going to work out for you, or it's going to haunt you, or it's going to be this big cloud hanging over your shoulders, or your head rather. It's really not, if that is what's going to be the best choice for you. You know what I mean? Like, don't choose bankruptcy if there's other alternatives. I have a few videos on the channel that giving you alternatives to bankruptcy. Also one talking about chapter 7 versus chapter 13. But if that is not the best choice for you, then choose a different way. But definitely don't let people deter you from deciding what's best for you and your family, what's best for your financial situation. Because at the end of the day, this is your credit, this is you, and it's just going to eventually go away. Also, you get a fresh start. Also, with bankruptcy, you can start over in a lot of different situations. You'll still be able to purchase a home, you still can have vehicles, you can still do a lot of things, get jobs, etc. It's just helping you, push you towards another way. But definitely make the best choice for you. Do your research, do a lot of extra background, making sure you know which one is the one that you want to choose, if you want to choose it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please share it with your friends and family, and join the Financial Spotlight family. We'd love to have you. Press subscribe and make sure you push the notification bell so you can know when I'm going to post again. Bye.